And it on towards De Bruyne now. De Bruyne looking up, plays it in towards Haaland! It's as if they've never been away. Back in the old routine, De Bruyne the assist, Haaland with the goal. 10 minutes, that's all it's taken. And City nudge in front. It's been a brilliant opening to the game, and City lead. Oh, Milner's in space, and Carvalho's in space, and Liverpool are level. 10 minutes, and they're level. And City opened up. Rodri. And now Mahrez. Oh, that's a brilliant touch, and that is a magnificent finish. Brilliant goal from Riyad Mahrez. He scored the goal that helped City knock out Chelsea in round 3. Has he knocked out Liverpool? Now Nunez, he's onside, he's beaten Laporte, and Salah, City's chief tormentor, is on target against them again. They only were behind for a minute. Little bit of variety on the corner. Palmer, De Bruyne, Ake! 3-2! City back in front again. Ake has a habit of scoring against Liverpool. He's done it for Watford, he's done it for Bournemouth, he's done it for City. And City are through to the quarter-finals of the Carabao Cup. A titanic tussle. The trophy that had been theirs then went to Liverpool, and now they're fighting to get it back off them.